switch things up. I tried to do a card reading and then I got a phone call. I'm going to post that video, but I didn't finish it, so I thought I would take this to the river. So I'm on a little bit of a river walk, just getting some sunshine before my crew wakes up. I hope y'all enjoy and have a blessed day. I found a couple of rocks and a shell and a feather already. I'll show y'all that, but I want you to take some of this in too. Come on a river walk with me, y'all. So this is about, 10 minutes from my house. They're doing some kind of work on the hillside over there, but this is downtown. It's such a beautiful day. I found a cool story about my town. There used to be a button factory, and they used to make buttons, and then they just dump them back in the river. But a lot of while, sometimes they're real broken, sometimes they're real big, but you can find the shells from the button factory. And then I just picked up a couple pieces of flint. That felt good in my hands. These colors trash. I wish I had thought enough to bring a garbage bag with me. Next time I'm gonna grab one and just keep it stashed in my car. Let's go. This is pretty. And so is this one. Stash those in my bag. I like looking for the rocks with holes in them too. That one's kind of neat. I really like that. I don't know why, but I do. Do 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 do. It's so pretty here. Oh, here's another shell. That one's got a good button on it. I think these are so cool. They're all over the riverbank. There's another one. I'm gonna leave her. I kind of like the misshapen, craggly ones. Oh, let's be real. I love them all. My husband would kill me though if I kept bringing home bags and bags and bags of rocks. Here's a tablespoon. I'm not sure what that is, but it's kind of cool. Piece of pottery, maybe a piece of glass. Oh, here's a feather. Oh, second one. I must be on the right path. I love looking for feathers. Feathers, rocks, four-leaf clovers. These things are pretty crazy looking. They're metal. It looks like steps or handles or pipes or something that they're just popping up out of the river. I don't know, y'all. There's some birds over there. Hope I'm not making everybody sick. Ooh, I found one with, I think it's got a hole in it. I'm so excited. I love these. And it looks like the full moon. That's so pretty. It does. It's got a hole in it, y'all. Oh my goodness. When I was little at camp, we would go on creek hikes. And the girls, one of my first experiences, they were like, yeah, if you find a rock with a hole in it, it's called a fairy rock. And so every time I go creek hiking or river walking, it's something that I always look for. I love them. I'll string them up and put them in my car. I watched a video on the law of attraction once and got really into it and still am. But I am a firm believer in gratitude rocks. There's something special about them. Thought this one was cool, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. It's got lines on it. And smooth on the other side. I'm going to leave it here for y'all. Have a peaceful, beautiful day, wherever you may be. I'm sending you